Good evening, YouTube viewers. This is Alex Davison on a YouTube comparison video review. Basically about tobacco prototypes and regular cans. It's a lesson that I am going to teach y'all how to do today. First of all, know what a prototype is. And I'm going to tell you what a prototype really is. I'm going to show you right now. A prototype is basically a product advertisement. Basically what it is. To start out with, it is a prototype advertisement. And I'm going to show you the reason why I'm saying that. Now I'm saying this for example. Say for instance this Longhorn long cut wintergreen can is a prototype. There's a receipt right here in my hand. Longhorn long cut wintergreen, $2 for $1.99. That is a prototype can. But basically, a prototype means it's a tobacco sale or whatever. And it is this got that prototype logo or whatever you want to call it. And now, what a prototype really basically is say for instance you got a pack of Marlboro original full flavor cigarettes, and then when you go into the tobacco store, the man's going to tell you what one is called the original or the prototype. Well, a prototype is basically whatever you want to call it. Say for instance you got a coupon in the mail, or Camel Crush being the regular, and Camel Crush Red. The person with a tobacco license will tell you it will be a prototype. Basically, they don't know what it is, a prototype or not, but if it says 2 packs for $1 or something, that's a prototype, or a deal prototype as they call it in the business. The difference is the cigarettes is dry, wrapped up in paper, and cigars, I meant to mention this earlier, cigars like Black and Mild, Swigger's Sweets, Hombres. Those are basically regular cigars. Unless it's got a 2-for-1 deal, whatever. That's a prototype cigar. I meant to mention that in one YouTube video, but I finally mentioned it now. Okay. Now let's start with a original can. Okay. I'm just going to state this as an example. Oh, this is Grizzly wide cut, long. It ain't long cut. This is a regular dip can, not a prototype, because you can see it ain't got no 2 for this, 2 for that, or whatever. This is a regular Grizzly wide cut can. Well, on the other hand, this is a Grizzly dark wintergreen. This ain't the original dark wintergreen, basically it is, but it's a prototype. I'm going to show you the reason why I said that. Look, it's got 50% off. Right? This is the prototype can. And this is a original Grizzly long cut wintergreen can. This is the original one, not a prototype. And I'm going to tell you the reason why I say prototype. Technically the term means a tobacco sale. Get the product advertised. It's going to have a cardboard little box thing. It's going to say like, I'm just saying this for example. It's going to say Grizzly long cut wintergreen 50% off. But as you can see on this can, it does not say 50% off. That means it's an original one, not a prototype. Same here for a can of Copenhagen. Original can of Copenhagen long cut wintergreen. See, no prototype day on here. None at all. None at all. That's all I have for now, but as I said, like Camel, if it's got a deal for, let's say, the snus peppermint or the menthol cigarettes, which is the better bargain? I'm just telling you for example. Let's see, you got Camel, and you got Camel snus. One's a prototype, one's the original. Basically, if you are a tobacco consumer, if you're just starting out, the prototype basically is a deal. Basically, that's what it is. It's not like, oh, it's not like a robot or nothing. It's a prototype, which means it's like a slang deal. What slang deal, you ask, is a term of selling a product to get the advertisement out to the public, and it's not slander or spoken or nothing. A slang deal is like this. Say, for instance, you go on the flea market. Say, this guy's advertising Longhorn prototype. He's doing a slang deal. It's cheap. He's got a license for it. If he's got a license for it, you know it's an original tobacco product buyer. Now, if somebody walking down the street saying, oh, I got Longhorn uncut wintergreen, first of all, you gotta make sure that guy's licensed. If not, the deal's screwed, and you'll be in a lot of trouble. Not with the law, I might add, but you will be in a lot of trouble with that person. Because if he ain't got a license, he's gonna be fined a lot of money. Alright, that's what I said. Now for original dip buys. You see, when you go to like a convenience store, you see like a little cardboard sign. Say for instance, it says Skull free at 38. Buy 2 cans. Now, if you got a coupon, you could buy 3 cans. Same with Copenhagen. Normally you'll have this can flat down like this with the label stuck up with a little sign on it. That's what it will say. And I'm not just discriminating those signs or nothing. Recently, I always have a can like this on a red cardboard sign that say the money on it. I'm just telling you right for experience. And the only reason I ain't got a dip in my lip because I'm talking about products for now, but I'm about to put one in just so for, oh, excuse me. Go back what I was saying. For all you tobacco consumers and beginners, make sure you learn the 3 signs. Number 1, make sure the guy that you getting it from has a license, a tobacco license. Without a tobacco license, they cannot sell tobacco products to you. Number 2, make sure you got an original or a prototype. Slang deal is basically getting product to you. And number 3, make sure it stays a tax deal. What tax deal means basically is, if you go to the store, I'm just saying for example, I saw my ears in. Taking for example, what? Saying Laura, go to YouTube video. Huh? Go to YouTube video. YouTube video.